I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong. I've seen you in a
Hi ʍᴜ7 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a makeup vlog and yung ginawa kong makeup look is this one, and this is my everyday makeup look or yung go-to makeup look ko ngayon. Yan, like, diba, may pa-iga-igisa lang dyan. And yung mga ginamit ko palang products is super affordable. Kasi this is the local products. Yung iba ay hindi naman lahat local products, pero as much as possible I use local products. And disclaimer lang guys, I'm not a beauty guru, I'm not a professional makeup artist, I'm not a professional in doing makeup. Basta ginagawa ko lang kung ano yung alam ko for myself, and na-achieve ko naman tong look na to, kaya ayun lang. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching. So first thing I'm going to do is magmamist ako sa face ko, and ito yung ginagamit ko, this one, the Vice Cosmetics Carry Boom. This is the Boom Mist. And after that, I'm going to put some concealer kasi hindi ako, pag yung go-to makeup ko, hindi ako nagpa-foundation as in. So, I'm going to use this Leaders Correcting Concealer. Ayan. And this Maybelline Concealer, Fit Me Concealer, in the shade 30 Honey. And this one, burado na kasi. This is number 30 Tan. Naglalagay ako ng Maybelline sa under eyes ko. Dito sa middle. Ayan. And then dito sa my nose. Tapos sa gilid ng mouth, ay ng lips. Tapos sa may forehead ko. And yung sa may mga ano ko, dito, dark spots. I'm going to use this Leaders Concealer sa under eyes ko din. Dito sa inner part, under eyes. Ayan. And then dito, para ma-lift yung face natin. Lifting na. And then sa my nose, dyan sa bridge ng nose natin. And then after that, I'm going to blend it with this sponge from Glad King. Ayan, medyo nawala yung dark circles natin. And after that, yung dulo ng sponge, yun yung pinag-blend ko dito. After that, kasi oily ako, ibinibake ko yung face ko. I'm using this Dr. Sensitive All Day No Sebum Blush Blur Powder. Ayan, I'm going to use this. And ginaganto ko lang siya. Kasi konti na yung laman niya. And I'm going to use this beauty blender or beauty sponge from Glad King ulit. Tapos ibibake ko yung nandito sa my under eyes ko. And I'm using this Scalp and Strobe Stick from Belena to contour my nose. Kasi, you know, I have a big nose. And I'm using my brush. Yung brush set ko is from Shopee or Lazada. Ang tagal na nito, grade 8 pa lang ako. And I'm second year high school na. Upcoming third year. Second year high school lang. Upcoming third year college. So, grade 8 pa ako yun. So, second year high school. Yung mga time na nag-start pa lang ako matuto mag-makeup. So, ayan. Yan yung kinukonturan natin. And for the contour, for my face, I'm going to use this Curline Contour Stick. Ayan. So, dito. Pa-up. Konti lang kasi mapanga naman ako. Ayan. Tapos, gagamitin din natin siya for nose, pero super konti lang kasi medyo dark to. And after that, ibe-blend na natin yung contour with this eye brush pa-upward. contour brush po siya ha. Pero pwede din naman yung powder brush siguro kung magagawa ng paraan. As you can see, medyo nag-lift yung face natin. And for the nose, I'm going to use this brush from BTLA. I-circular lang na kasi pa-upward hanggang dito sa may brows natin para yung ng nose mukhang hanggang dun siya. Hindi po ako makeup guru or what. I'm not a professional. Kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa face ko, I just wanted to share it with you guys. So don't judge me. Kasi tagal ko ding binild yung confidence ko. And tagal ko ding nag-aral ng makeup to look good on pictures, to look good on personal, pero hindi pa rin ako ganun ka-confidence with regards to my looks on personal. Tapos, after that, magko-concealer tayo. I'm going to use this Titter's concealer kasi ito yung mas maputi. So, parang tumangos-tangos naman yung ilong natin. And I'm going to blend my powder na with this brush from BTLA. Kasi ginamit lang natin siya pang bake. Pati sa my eyes na din. Para pag... Minsan kasi nag-eyeshadow ako as much as possible. Ginagaya ko yung eyeshadow ng mga Korean. Yung may... sa under eyes. I don't know what you call this one. Pero magaganon tayo guys. So I'm using this 𝓼𝓼 eyeshadow. Ayan. And... I'm going to use this shade. Ito yung white. Sobrang powdery lang nito guys. Kaya ingat-ingat lang din. So, pag ganyan lang. From outer to inner part. And I'm going to use this one. Ito. I'm going to use that as for my outer crease. Ba't ang tawag dito? I don't know. Don't judge me. And naka-open lang yung eyes ko. Tapos pag ganyan. Basta from outer to inner, blend it with... By the way guys, with regards to doing the eyeshadow, hindi ako masyadong magaling kasi I don't know, hindi ko pa siya naaaral na mabuti. Basta kung ano lang ginagawa ko sa sarili ko, yun lang pinapakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang mura na itong eyeshadow na to. Ang pagkakalala ko, nabili ko to ng nasa 200 to 100 plus. And ilang shades to? 9, 12 shades. And all matte. Mas gusto ko kasi yung matte lang talaga. And after using that eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Peach BYS eyeshadow palette. Ayan. Super cute ito. Pasok na pasok sa mga Korean eyes, Korean makeup look kasi it's peach palette. Ayan. And I'm going to use this lavish shade. Ayan, ito. Lavish yung nakalagay. And kumuha lang akong konti. Powder din ito. And I'm going to put it here. Ganyan lang. Korean eyes, gumagamit sila ng shimmer. So, I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use this shade. Parang, ayan. So, hindi nyo makita. Kasi liwanag. Fist ata o fist yung shade niya. And sobrang powdery ng ano nila. Tag dito. Shimmer. Tapos, ayun. Nilalagay ko lang siya dito sa may inner eyes ko. Pa-up. Ayan, ganyan. As you can see. Tapos, after nun, dito. Pababa. Sa may inner. Ayan. Sa may dito natin. Kasi ganito yung mga Korean, guys. Wow, feeling Korean. Ayan. So, nabuhay ang ating mata. And sa under eyes, lalagay din tayo nitong, ano na to, shimmer dito sa may inner lang. Sa kabila din. Ayan. Gagawa tayo ng inigo, if that's what you call. So, I'm going to use this enticing shade. This one from BYS palette. So, gagano. Na-highlight lang nito yung ating eye bags. So, nakita nyo. that, ayan, may ʟᴜᴜ na tayo. We're going to use yung eyeshadow shades na nilagay sa taas sa baba. Ulit-ulit na ako doon, pero ayun na. Ayan. So, ayan, diba? May pagka-ʟᴜᴜ. May pagka lang kasi we're not that good in doing makeup things. So, linisin din natin ulit yung banda dito. So, as you can see, ʟᴜᴜ na tayo. After that, I'm going to do my brows. So, I'm using this Maybelline. Kaso na bura na yung ano niya. Basta ayan. Wala na din yung takip niya. So, I'm going to brush my eyebrows with spoolie first. So, hindi po pantay yung kilay ko. I don't know why. So, and then, magto-drawing lang tayo dito sa may inner. Ayan, ganyan lang ginagawa ko. So, ang ginagawa ko lang is, makapal naman yung kilay ko. As you can see, ito wala pang nalalagay. Makapal siya, pero hindi talaga siya pantay. I don't know why. Ito yung parang maayos yung hulma. And this one is not. So, ayusin natin. Pero, hindi talaga ako pantay magkilay, guys. So, and after that, ginagamit ko tong Studio Finish Brow Pen from EP Advance in the shade Wood. Ayan. Ito yung ganito yung tip niya, oh. Para lang siyang totoong kilay pag not explaining things, pero ang ganda ng kilay ko dito. Sana maganda din yung kilay ko dito sa kabilang to. And then, naglalagay lang talaga ako ng strokes dito para maganda tingnan. And after that, i-blend ko ulit siya ng spoolie ko. Ito, other spoolie naman. This is the BTLA spoolie. So, guys. So, suggestion ko pala sa mga beginners na gustong mag-makeup at bumili ng makeup brush. This one, ito yung ginagamit kong brush from Lazada. Ayan, isang set siya. Nasa 500 plus. So, good for beginners siya kasi madaming brush as in. Pero medyo sketchy kasi syempre for beginner, hindi pa natin alam yung mga uses of those. Kahit ako ngayon, magtagal ako nag-makeup, hindi ko pa rin alam yung uses niya. Pero ayun nga, pero kung gusto mong konti lang and talaga magagamit mo lahat ng brush, go for the BTLA set. Nakalimutan ko kung anong set yun, pero nawala kasi yung iba, yan yung lagayan, kaya hindi ko mapakita sa inyo. Pero super good nun, guys. So, after ko magkilay, I'm going to put this eyeliner. This is my very own eyeliner. This is from ʟᴜᴜ Cosmetics. And ʟᴜᴜ is my brand. So, sold out na po ito. Kasi hindi na umabot. Charot lang. So, ayan. Buhay lang tayo. Ganyan. Kasi ganyan lang. Para mabuhay lang yung eyes. Basically, yung lagi kong ginagawang eyeliner is puro wing lang. Ayan. As you can see, puro wing lang. Hindi ako naglagay from inner to outer. Basta puro wing lang yung ginagawa ko. And then, after that, pala, nakalimutan ko, maglagay na itong brow gel from ʟᴜᴜ in the shade Ash. Ayan. And ang maganda dito, long-lasting siya. Siya yung nagpapatagal ng eyebrow products sa kilay ko. So, after that, I'm going to use my mascara. This is the Maybelline New York Total Temptation. Ayan. And super ganda nito. Pero, ayun nga. Wala kasi akong tissue dito. Pero mas maganda kung inaanan siya ng tissue. Tapos, ganyan. Babawasan mo talaga. And sa upper eyes muna tayo. Upper eyelash. After kasi ako dito. Nagka-curler. Kasi, pinapainit ko yung curler. Para mas maganda siya. Ayan. As you can see, nabuhay yung mata natin. Diba? From this to this. Ayan. Ayan. So, after that, oh my God, natutuwa ako kasi ang ayos ng makeup ko ngayon. So, after that, hindi pa pala tayo nag-blush. I'm using these two products. Para silang galing from Caroline. This is the Caroline Berry Stick. Ayan. Ilalagay ko lang siya dun. Tinatap-tap ko sa face ko. And after that, ay hindi ba meron? I'm going to use this powder brush to tap it. Ayan. Tapos ganun din sa kabila. Kasi ayokong i-jot siya kasi medyo pigmented din to guys. Pwede, ito yung multi-sticks nila. Kaya pwede din siya for eyes kung wala kayo nung palette ko na ginagamit. You can use this kasi medyo ka-shade sila. Diba? Ayan, diba? May blush na tayo. And after that, hindi pa tayo tapos guys. Ganun tayo ka-arte. Or ganun ako ka-arte. I'm going to use this Caroline Contour Blush on. Ayan. Shade Fresh Tomato. Ang arte. Pero ayan, ginagamit ko yung sponge na kasama niya. For this, yun. Yun, dinap-tap ko lang. Kasi ibablend natin siya using this brush. Pa-upward. Ayan, diba? Fresh lang tayo tingnan. And after that, I'm going to put this light cloud tint from Caroline again. So, super budget-friendly yung makeup natin, guys. And I'm going, isa lang yung lalagay ko, ganyan lang. Kasi super pigmented din yung isang to. Pag napadami ng lagay, grabe. Parang yung peri-pera ko. So, feel ko with regards to peri-pera velvet tint, yung ganun ko. Insert na ako ng picture here. Ito yung dupe niya na mura. Kasi the pera-pera is 450 nung binili ko. Hindi ko lang sure kung magkano ngayon. And this cloud tint, mura lang to eh. Kaya ito yung for me dupe. And after that, I'm going to use this Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte in the shade 656 Clay Crush. Ayan. Naputol to guys, kaya ang dumi tingnan. And I'm going to put this on my lips. And then, lalagyan ko nito. Kasi this is a multi-stick na. And I'm going to use a brush. So, kukuha lang ako dito ng super konti lang. Kasi, apo lang nga to. Pang inner part lang siya. So, after that, kahit oily ako, highlight talaga ako. Guys, I don't know. Pero, I'm using this EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter. Super. This is my holy grail highlighter na affordable. Kasi, minsan yung highlighter ko hindi affordable. And I'm not going to recommend it, guys. Kasi, I have this one. Super, as in super ganda for me, ha. And I'm going to use this brush. Ginaganyan ko lang siya. And then, ganun. Like, whoa. Diba? Like, girl, kahit oily ako. And, itong tip yung inaano ko para for my nose. Diba? Tapos naglalagay ako dito sa my upper lip and under my lips din. Ayan. Tapos after that, dito sa may brow bone. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo, pero saan nakikita niyo. And nakalimutan ko pala guys, naglalagay din ako sa my nose kasi ng blush, pero super unti lang. So I'm going to use this, like dito lang. Hindi masyadong halata. Yun yung mga ganyan lang. Kasi, I don't know, it's fine. I find it cute. So, after that, so we're done with our makeup. I'm going to use again this ʟᴜ Mist. Hi, ċingi. So, that's it for our vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na mag-post ako ng video. And please do comment yung mga suggestion ng vlog. So, that's it. Bye!